everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today I'm sharing a super quick and easy. I thought this would be cute for a birthday, and so it's really quick and easy. It slides out, is one of the Ferrero Rocher, I think that's how you say it, I'm not sure, but there's 3 in here, and this fits in there pretty tightly. But I made it that way purposely so it wouldn't fall out. But it's super cute. These would make really cute little baby shower favors too, real quick and easy. And I'm using the Treat Yourself from the Picture Perfect birthday stamp set. So I'm using this one right here. I love the sentiment on there, and it did fit nicely in my punch, so I used that from there. And then these little stars I used from the balloon celebrations, but you can use any stars that you want to use. I just stamped off to make them a little bit lighter than the sentiment to copy the stars that are in the designer series paper. And yes, again, this is the designer series paper that is from the Bubbles and Fizz. I love this, and I knew I was going to use it a bunch, but it is the Bubble and Fizz, and this is one of the free choices. I used these little bubbles here on my last project that I shared on Sunday, and so yeah, I'm going to get my use out of this paper. I love it. So it's super cute. You can use any of these patterns. I wanted to keep it all one color, so I used the little stars, and I thought the stars would be perfect for like a birthday, and it would be really cute too for a 4th of July project. Anyway, this is what I'm sharing today, so let's get started. It's a really pretty quick and easy one. So what you're going to need for this is you're going to need a piece of cardstock. This is Bermuda Bay. This is 7 1/4 by 4 1/2. You'll need 2 pieces to mat, and like I said, this is the Bubbles and Fizz, and this is 4 by 1 1/4. So 4 by 1 1/4. You need 2 pieces to mat that, and then you need a piece of scrap Whisper White for the sentiment that we're stamping. And I'm also using the Stitch Satin Bermuda Bay ribbon. Alright, so let's get scoring this. I'm going to get my Simply Scored out here. I couldn't decide which one I was going to use, but I'm going to use the Simply Scored here. And we are going to score it on the 7 1/4 inch side. We're going to score that at 1, at 1, 1 1/2, 3, 4 1/4, 5 3/4, and 6 1/4. And that is it for the scoring. So we are going to sharpen all these score marks. This is your center right here. So I'm going to bring these both in. This one is going this way, and this one's coming the other way. So this one's going in, and then this one's going out, just like that. So when they meet up, they're going to meet up just like that. And it isn't perfectly square, and I did that purposely so it fits tightly in here, because I wanted it to fit tight in here so that when you turn it this way, it wasn't going to fall out. So this is the way I figured that it would be the easiest. So I'm going to use my envelope punch board here to round the corners. So if you have this, just use that to round your corners. Since our corner rounder is no longer available, this is a really good option. So we have all our corners rounded, and I'm going to use the classic label punch, and you have to punch this first and center it in the middle there, punch that, And then you're going to need a pencil. And what you're going to do is you're going to line up your top like that. And then you're going to just trace that. And then you're just going to punch your other side. So these all layer up. So these will match up here. I punched it crooked though. I punched this side crooked. It's okay though, it's still gonna work. Alright, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take some fast fuse. And we're gonna put it here on both sides. Line up your corners and your top so those are even. And then you have your box all ready to go. So I'll show you how it fits in. So you got to kind of turn it sideways to get it in, but it fits really snugly. See, I wanted it that way so it wouldn't fall out. So let's grab our 2 matte pieces. You can actually use this other side too, just like that. It'd be super cute too, because it matches the paper too. But we're going to keep it all because I like the stars. So you're going to mat that side, and then you can mat your other side. And then we're going to grab our piece of Whisper White, my Bermuda Bay. We're going to stamp the Treat Yourself. And then we'll stamp, after we get it cut, punched, we're going to use the 1 3/8. And then I'm going to get the little stars. There's 2 different stars in there. There's a solid and an outline. I'm using the outline. I'm going to stamp off a little bit and then stamp on, because I want it to be lighter than the background. Okay, so that is it. Then the sentiment, I should say. Now the next thing I did is I already went to the Big Shot, and I'm using my layered scallop circle, and this is about 1 3/4 inch, and I already ran it through the Big Shot so that you wouldn't have to wait and watch me do that. So I'm going to use a dimensional for the back to add it to the little scallop circle. I'm going to use my 1/8 inch hole punch to punch a hole in the top. I'm going to use some white baker's twine. I'm going to just try to tie a knot here. Should have made it a hair longer. Let me just do it the other way. It's so much easier to do it double, I found, but I didn't make it quite long enough. Okay, so then we're going to cut these little ends off here. I'm going to slide that knot to the back. We're going to grab our ribbon here. I'm going to slide this through. and tie a bow right here. This ribbon is really nice to tie. Cut the little ends. And we're done. Look how cute they are. And I thought they'd be super cute little party favors. I think, you know, and you're getting a good, nice candy with it. So here's the other one. I only have one, so I only put one inside. So that's it, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at stampingwithamore.com. Don't forget, if you order $50, you get a free item, and this designer series paper is one of the items. Oh, I forgot my little star. I used one of the enamel dots, and they have the enamel shapes, and they have stars on it, and I just added a star here to the bottom. Just like that. Super cute. Alright, so that's it, everyone. Have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye.